Hello all, welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video I will show you how you can change default search engine or default browser from Chrome to Safari on your iPhone. See, current Google Chrome is my default browser on this mobile. Click on your iPhone settings. Scroll down, you will find search. Click on that. Here you can see the option search engine, but we will see this option at the end. Just on the search bar at the bottom, search as Safari. Hit enter. Once you open Safari, you will see default browser option. Here from Google Chrome, and you select Safari as your default browser from now on, if you want. Now let me go back and change default search engine now. There are 4 other search engine options available, like Yahoo, Bing. You can just select whichever you want. I'm selecting Yahoo as default search, but as I want Google as my default search engine, I'm not going to change my default search engine. I will be going back to Google again. I'm curious, which browser did you pick as your new default? Are you sticking with Google, or did you make the jump to DuckDuckGo for privacy? Let me know in the comments. I'm down there replying to as many of you as I can. And that's it. Your iPhone is now officially customized to browse the way you want, not just the way Apple defaults it.